Mechatronics engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines mechanical engineering, electronics, computer science, and control engineering. It's the art of integrating these disciplines to design and create intelligent systems and products. Imagine a robot that can perform surgery or a car that can drive itself. These are products of mechatronics. The term mechatronics was first coined in Japan in the 1960s. And since then, it has revolutionized industries worldwide. From automation in manufacturing to advanced consumer products, mechatronics engineers are at the forefront of technological innovation. They work on designing, testing, and creating smart systems that can sense, think, and act. As the world moves towards more automation and smart technologies, the role of mechatronics engineers becomes even more crucial. They are the bridge between mechanical designs and the digital world, bringing ideas to life.